Today topic of lecture idea generation methods. Previous class we know the techniques of idea generation. This class also some important idea generation methods we know. First we know what is idea generation. Idea generation or ideation is the act of forming ideas. It is a creative process. It includes the generation, development, and communication of new thoughts and concepts. It is called a idea generation. Idea generation mean is the act of forming ideas. It is a creative process. It includes the generation, development, and communication of new thoughts and concepts. It is called a idea generation. Idea generation means formation of ideas, creation of ideas. In this process include the generation, development, and communication of new thoughts and concepts. It is called a idea generation. Some important idea generation methods as follows. First one is 5W plus H method. Next one, socialized listening. Next one, brainstorming. Next one, role playing. Next one, use online tools. Next one, mind mapping. Last one, think in reverse. These all are some important idea generation methods. First one is 5Ws plus H method. Second one is social listening. Next one, brainstorming. Next one, role playing. Next one, use online tools. Next one, mind mapping. Last one, think in reverse. These all are idea generation methods. Now one by one I explain. First one is 5W H method. It is a one type of idea generation method. In this method, create the ideas based on the questions. 5W plus H question. Any issue, any problem, any product, any work. With that purpose, 5 questions asked plus H question. 5Ws. First one is what do, what is, where do, what is, when do, what is, who do, what is, why do, what is. These all are 5 W questions. Next, last one is how do you produce? Last question. These all are based the questions you think that purpose. Some ideas also create. This is one of the idea generation method. In this method also based the questions 5W plus H question. 5W questions also what, where, when, who, why. These all are 5Ws. Last one is H, how. That questions based the create a ideas to think every question. Some ideas also raise your mind, release your mind. It is one of the idea generation method. Next one is social listening method. Social means public. In this method also people, outsiders, users, consumers, buyers, purchase persons, etc. Any issue, any problem, you tell. That purpose, you give the ideas, your information, ask the social, public. That purpose is the Facebook or Twitter, any newspapers, any medias. That purpose you information, collect the social, public, so and so product, that your opinion, your ideas, our product market present, any change of our market, you give the guidelines, you give the ideas, you ask the send the some message in the Twitter or Facebook or any channels, also survey, newspapers. Some also participants or give the some ideas. It is one of the idea generation method. That you suitable ideas you accepted, you solve the problem. What idea use, they solve your problems. Their ideas you accept. It is one of the idea generation method. In this participate the public, different category persons or peoples or users or consumers or buyers, etc. Next one is brainstorming. This method is already you know the techniques of idea generation. In this method also some experts, some knowledge persons, field senior persons, that more knowledge persons all are assembled one place, discussed any issue, any problem. Every participant give the some ideas. That time all our ideas you collect or evaluate, calculate what idea is suitable or present problem solving. That idea is accepted. It is one of the idea generation method, brainstorming. In this method also, some experts, some knowledge persons, some senior peoples, that all are discussed the any issue, any problem. That time also some give the ideas, their participants all. It is one of the idea generation method. Next one is role playing. This is one of the idea generation method. In this role, key factor, playing act in this any issue, any problems, public awareness purpose, you conduct the program. That different characters, different persons participate that program, that activity. Every participant different roles, their performance, any issue, public problem, their problem awareness to the peoples or public. That time also some peoples, some audience, you interact that role of participants. That time also some ideas create the audience, that issue, that problem. It is one of the idea generation method, role playing method. In this different persons also different acting, different roles. Next one is use online tools. This is one of the idea generation method. In this method also, you are solving purpose of problems, any information purpose, used the online or computers or network or search engine, that so many information avail, any issue, any problem. You online, you take the collect the information, send the some users, some person, some important persons, you mails, so and so problem, how to solve, give the ideas, you send me, you base the online, that few persons or experts, you send the online their ideas, that problem. This purpose is the network. It is one of the idea generation method. Next one is mind mapping. What is mind mapping? In this any idea, you give the graphical representation, graphs, pictures, you show the ideas, that based the you show any problem, any issue, you show the graph, that based the some ideas also you create, see the picture, you some think, that picture show. Your mind also some ideas also create. It is a mind mapping method that usable ideas you accept. Next one is thinking in reverse. This is also previous class or idea generation techniques. In this also think your reverse, positive, not positive. You think the negative. That time also some raise the ideas your mind, their negative result, how to face, how to solve that problems in future. You think before not raise the problems. That time also some new ideas create the your mind. These all are idea generation methods. First one is 5W plus H method. Next one, social listening method. Next one, brainstorming. Next one, role playing. Next one, use online tools. Next one, mind mapping. Last one, think in reverse. This topic is over. Thank you.